Thank you for clicking on this video. Welcome to the Car Release TV channel. Acura's change right into EV propulsion likewise declares a brand new design direction for the automaker. Previewed by the Acura Accuracy concept, the ZDX exhibits the brand's precision-crafted performance design ethos, blending deeply sculptured appearing with dynamic lines. A backlit diamond pentagon grille dominates the front, as do the sculptured hood protrudes as well as fascia scallops that mount the air conditioning air ducts as well as headlights. One of the most significant talking point is the contrasting floating roof covering which, in tandem with the reduced body color section, helps it resemble an advanced powerboat. A big charging port is easily put ahead of the motorist's side door. The backside features a full-width, fragment problem, LED light cluster and wraparound glass that neatly converges with the side quarter windows. A deep tailgate aids the functionality formula, as well as a famous upper ledge radiates a monolithic appearance. Battery capacity is still reasonably unidentified, likely 100 kilowatt-hours, yet we prepare for an approximated series of up to 320 miles, 510 kilometers. For those on the go, DC quick charging can pump those electrons up to a price of 195 kilowatts. Key rivals include Tesla's Design Y, Polestar 3, BMW iX, Audi Q6 e-tron, Mercedes-Benz EQE SUV, and also Jaguar I-Pace. The Japanese brand name will certainly reveal the ZDX as a 2024 model year offering in the coming months, with pre-orders beginning soon after. It's prematurely to know rates, but it's believed that it will certainly begin with high $50,000 S for the base designs copulating up to mid to high $70,000 S for the Type S. Thank you for watching.